Hello guys, so today I'm going to replace a top lid cover, and it's pretty easy. There is lots of screws here, 1, 2, 3, 4, so it's about 8. You're taking this piece out, you're taking few more, and it's gonna be out. So it's not really hard, and this is my replacement, so it's gonna be a black one. So with the gray seats, the black cover, I think it's gonna be nice. So let's begin to remove the plastic piece. So it's, as I said, it's 8 screws. Just like so, and there is a 1, 2, 3, 4 screws right here. Here we go. So we need to do the same thing here. Just remove 1, 2, 3, 4, all 8. 1, 2. Okay, so make sure you remove all the screws. Okay, so make sure when you take it off, you press on the unlock position and kind of pull it forward, just like so. So it already have a four holes right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the align guide also. So basically you putting it right here, and then Okay, so all the 4 screws are in. Let's test it. Everything works. This is for the cell phone to put on. Perfect. And the last thing is to install this black cover. Let me see if I'll do this part first. Yeah, this is, I think it's better to take this thing first, just like so. Yeah, perfect. So basically, if you have a screwdriver, take it out. Just like so. And there is 8 of the screws that you have to screw it back. So it's better if you have like some kind of a power tool. It will make your life way easier. So you can basically do all the job is with one tool, and I would say it's about a 15-minute job. So everything is good. And this is my old one. Old one is kind of dried, but this is nice. All set. So it's about 15-minute job. Quick. Just like new. Well, it is new. Perfect. Link is in description.